In this podcast, we're going to talk about hunger motivation, and I want to introduce you to this concept called set point. Set point's a general term, and in Meyer's book, where we're actually really talking about is body weight set point, which is a type of set point. So I just want to introduce you to the basic concept. So this is the basic definition of set point, regardless of if we're talking about weight or, in this example, I give you the level of calcium. Just think about all the hormones, vitamins, and minerals that your brain is keeping track of, in which there is a ideal or typical or healthy rate and value for that specific hormone or mineral, such as calcium. And basically what it's trying to say is that the body has an ideal value, and it strives to maintain that. And if it goes too high or too low, so in this case for calcium, if our calcium falls below 0.16, then we start releasing some of the calcium that we have deposited in our bones. If the concentration goes too high, then we excrete, usually through urination and so forth, some of the calcium in our bones. So the concept is similar to weight. It's the idea that there's a weight that individuals typically return to after dieting or overeating or losing or gaining weight in general. And it's just a theory because we're not sure if it actually is accurate. So let's take a look at how body weight set point works in relationship to the hypothalamus. So the hypothalamus is one of the areas that we believe has something to do with feelings of hunger and feelings of satiation or fullness, right? The ending of hunger. And what happens is we know that there are different parts of the hypothalamus, and those different parts of the hypothalamus seem to be working in opposition to each other. So some send signals to stop eating, while others send signals to initiate eating. On a later vodcast, we'll talk about those specific areas. But for now, just know that there's this kind of binary going on within the hypothalamus based upon the area. So one of the questions that researchers are trying to figure out is, well, how does the hypothalamus know when to send messages of, to stop eating or to initiate eating? One idea is that it works in relationship to body weight set point. And the concept is that the hypothalamus attempts, just like with calcium, to maintain a certain optimal weight. And if we lose weight, in our example here, the hypothalamus will do certain things. The part of the hypothalamus that initiates hunger will become more active, and the part that sends signals to stop eating will become less active. In addition, it is hypothesized that the hypothalamus will also lower our metabolic rate, how fast we burn calories, right? Because we want to get the weight back up. Conversely, if we had gained weight, the concept is similar, that the hypothalamus, the part of the hypothalamus that stops us from eating or sends messages of fullness, would actually be more active than that initiates, and our metabolic rate might increase. Again, it's just a theory. There are some problems with it that we will explore in later vodcasts, but that's the basics for you.